MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Ford builds single electric Mustang with manual transmission. American automaker Ford has built an all-electric Mustang Lithium car with a 6-speed manual transmission gearbox. However, Ford stressed that this is a one-off, designed as a test specimen for battery and heat control technologies that will reach production cars. Mustang Lithium features an 800-volt battery and generates over 1,356 Newton-meters of instant torque and more than 900 horsepower.